is going to be a productive day in my life. I have a couple of things to get done today. But first, I am going to do a little bit skincare routine. I am using the Granule Skin Active Cleanser. This product
is amazing.
I just use this to cleanse my face before putting anything on because it cleans really good. So that's what I'm using. I am going to apply my peel off mask. So while this is on, we are going to clean up a little bit. I have grocery coming in this morning in less than 2 hours. I know I will be super occupied today, and if I won't have time to go grocery shopping for everything, I was going to do it online and just have them delivered to my house, but they didn't have all the stuff that I want, so that's why I'm going to go in the store and get the other stuff. We are going to start cleaning. So I just got a notification that some of my groceries has arrived. Is that all of it?
Yes.
Thank you so much. So we are going to unpack this grocery. I got some eggs. I got some bell peppers. I got some grapes. I got some baby spinach, some green onions, chopped frozen onions and pepper, strawberries. I got some green grapes. I'm starving. Like, I'm just gonna have a yogurt for now. So I'm gonna add some of my coconut flakes. I'm gonna put some more. This is colored green. Okay, yeah, it's colored green. I really need this vegetable for stew. It tastes so good. I also got some tomatoes, and oh my god, this bell peppers, oh, they were screaming my name at the store. Like, I had to get them. This is what I'm gonna use for my stew, and I love this bell peppers. Like, it's so big and red. Like, come on now, more chicken and more beef. So everything here is actually meat. So I'm just gonna take it and put over on the sink. So I got more chicken spice. I also got some thyme. So I'm running out of time. I'm not running out of time. I mean, I'm running out of time. All right. More bell peppers for my stew. I also got some Indomie tables. I couldn't find a big carton, so I just picked pieces of it. I love guava juice. Like, it's my favorite juice ever. Guava juice. I had two of them. Okay. I'm gonna put that in the fridge. I also got some lemonade. I also love lemonade, so these are like my go-to juices. Will you keep quiet? I never tried this before. I wanted to give it a try because it looks so beautiful. So I also got this. I also got some curry powder for my food because I want to meal prep. I think I'm gonna have some noodles. I'm starving. I am gonna go ahead and